We're getting some garlic whipped chicken on tonight, using some gunslinger rub. We got our Brawler's Best, so using the buffalo tonight. We got some elote we're going to make with some fresh corn, some Brawler's Best regular garlic whip. I'm going to throw on that elote seasoning, pecan wood chunks, firing up the PK360. Got on our elote. We got all the vents open, firing up our grill grates. We got our chicken on. It is absolutely incredible. Look at that color. I am so excited about this. Oh yeah, look at that crust. That is Brawler's Best garlic whip. Getting my crust on, absolutely delicious. Little side salad to go with things. Smoke on, baby. This is the Scintillation State, and I'm your governor.